There's tractors down here. Start. There's like a barbecue place down here. Get out of the way, pole. Telephone line. It's got a pressure gauge? Why would it need a pressure gauge? America. Another America. Wow. I think that's a 10 PSI splitter or anything. I'm not sure. A power splitter. I don't know these things. Now we're ramping up to the bigger stuff. We're ramping up to the bigger stuff. Bigger. Yeah, bigger. So the wiring. Smaller. John Deere, so small. But it can haul. Small, but it can haul. 1952, 1951, 1955. It's Ford, which is kind of surprising. 1952, Farm Mill. John Deere, 1949. For sale. 1951, it's for sale, which I don't think you know where we are, but I actually don't know where we are. And it was just a festival, so I thought we would drop by. 1949, Brooks' internet's gonna go down like crazy. Year 1963, sorry about that. I didn't know I was putting the camera. Let's go to the older stuff. 1936. Look at that. That's 1936. That's old. 1930. Oil level. Instructions about oil. All you do is turn it on and run it. 1930, if it even runs. 1946, might even get towed or something. 1940. I'm just giving you quick tours. 1949. I'm trying to make this quick because I can't record long. 1944. Okay, tell me if I should slow down because I'm kind of going kind of fast. Here we go. 1935. Wow. That's actually pretty good for 1935. Bleh. 1953, whoops. 1968. 1,650. Made by Oliver. It's not Oliveira's. Okay. I think that's all of them. And we covered it in 4 minutes, 25 seconds. Wow. It's not bad.
Alright, love you, buddy. Have fun.
Have fun. Hi. Sorry that I spent my whole time recording.